away that box of Kraft and cheese. I keep saying Kraft and cheese. Throw away that box of Kraft mac and cheese. It's disgusting.
Brother, ugh.
There's a right way of making mac and cheese and there's a wrong way. People do way too much and it's really not that complicated. So in this video, I'm going to give you a simple step-by-step process to make crispy, creamy, baked mac and cheese. Begin by boiling your pasta in salted water with a little oil to prevent sticking. Why do I oil my water? I oil my water because my mama told me to. Shout out to my mom, Isabel. And now we're gonna grab our macaroni and we're going to toss it in the pot. Grab a spoon, spatula, whatever, and stir it. Cook until al dente, as the pasta will continue to cook in the oven. One of these, it takes about 7 minutes to be al dente. So let's do about 8 to 9 minutes. In a separate pot, heat heavy cream over medium heat. Once warm, gradually add shredded mild cheddar, Monterey Jack, queso quesadilla, and sharp cheddar. Stir continuously until the cheeses are fully melted and the sauce is smooth. So I know a lot of people, they do like roux. The way that I learned, y'all, was just with heavy cream. You can do it with a roux, but I think that when you do it with a heavy cream, it gives you the same result. That's my unpopular opinion. Continue to stir it after you added your cheeses so that it doesn't stick to the pot. Make sure to have your fire low, because I ain't gonna hold you. Had a little too hot now. So really the secret ingredient that I always add is complete seasoning. And you know it's done when you have this cheesy, creamy consistency, guys. So instead of straining them, I like to keep a little bit of the pasta water because of the starch. What does the starch do? It just keeps it all together. Another thing I like to do is I like to get evaporated milk and just pour it all over because it just adds an extra touch of creaminess and it does keep everything together. Add a little bit of oil. Season your noodles with whatever you guys want. Complete, you can do seasoned salt, salt and pepper, a bit of the sharp cheddar, a little bit of the mixed one. Mix that around real quick before you add your sauce. And now we're gonna add the cheese sauce. Yes. Yeah. Oh my God. Y'all, it should sound like this, okay? If it don't sound like this, I don't know what to tell you. And again, you can add a little bit more of the seasoning. And we're going to top it off with our 2 cheeses. And be very generous. Cover the whole surface. Y'all, I can't wait to take a bite. All right, guys, now it's ready. All right, guys, now let's put this in the oven.
All right, some of y'all getting too happy.
Crispy. Okay. All right, guys. $350 at 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and let it sit for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your creamy, cheesy mac and cheese. And nobody likes macaroni and cheese without a protein. So make sure you watch this one next.